Legend has it that on Chinese New Year, only a few dishes in the universe can come close to the legendary dish known as yisang. Battle cries fill the atmosphere. Wishes are heard throughout the battlefield. The height of the battle arrives when pairs of weapons are raised against each other. Where the higher you go, the more luck you get. The more money you get, the more life you get. The more children you get.
Hey, Sophie, wake up! Are we supposed to make yisang today?
Oh yeah! Hello everyone, welcome to Foodition. We would like to wish you Happy Chinese New Year. Today we'll be making yisang, a dish where you can get during Chinese New Year. So without further ado, let's get into it. These are the ingredients that we need.
We need eggs, wakame, crackers, smoked salmons, toasted sesame seeds, white pepper, 5 spice powder, crushed peanuts, plum sauce, pomelo, pear, carrots, cucumber, lime, and red cabbage. So let's get into it. First, we'll be shredding all the fruits and vegetables. You can shred it really thinly so you won't have like big chunks in your yisang. You can use a shredder or you can cut it like I do. I personally like to slice it with my knife because I like it thinner. So I like to add cucumber into my yisang because it's low calorie and it's refreshing. And you can choose any kind of fruits and vegetables that you like to add into your yisang. I like to make homemade one because I can pick and choose what kind of vegetables and what kind of food goes into it. And also, no preservative. Okay, so I like to put carrots in my yisang because it's rich in vitamin A, good for your eyes. And it gives it a little color, but one thing I don't like about carrots is it's gonna stain my fingers after I'm done with it. So while Sophie is cutting the vegetables, let's beat the egg. We beat it until it's soft and fluffy. Okay, now it's done and we are ready to fry.
Looking good over there. Let's just add this cabbage in there so it gives a little color to it. Alright, we're done with the cabbage. And now Troy's just gonna pass me the eggs and then we're gonna let it cool a little bit first before shredding it. Alright. Usually I'll just roll it up before I chop it so it's easier. You just have to go for thin slice for this one. Alright, we are almost done. There you go. Now we are ready. We can start plating the yisang. I'm ready to dig in.
Sophie, look at this. Do you think we can finish that all?
That's why I called for backup! Hi! So we at 𝒂𝒏𝒈 would like to wish you a happy Chinese New Year, good health and fortune, 恭喜发财. So, if you would excuse me now, I'll go back to my yisang. Bye-bye! Hey, wait for me! Bye!